Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am BerryFae. If you are new here, welcome. So today we're doing a tech video. It's the first time I pretty much am ever reviewing a tech item, but I have been wanting this for a long time. And as you can tell from the title, which is probably why you clicked on this video, we are reviewing the Bose open earbud headphones. Okay, I have wanted this for a little while, ever since I saw the commercials. I'm not gonna lie, but y'all, I'm not an AirPod girly. I have tried AirPods and there's something about AirPods that I don't necessarily love. What that thing might be, I don't really know, but I just don't have time to sit around and play with the AirPod. Okay, I don't like AirPods. It's just not my thing. So I wanted to try these to see if this is gonna be a good alternative for me, and I'm going to review it. I'm going to show you what they look like. I'm going to talk about the cost and all the things. Let's get right into it. So I actually got mine when I was in California, when I went to Target. Target had it on sale during the holidays and they gave me $30 off. So that is really, really good. And I do have my receipt here, okay, where I got a $30 price cut, okay? I also did get a 2-year protection plan for $50. So I kind of didn't save the $30 because I put $50 back on there. But I'm glad I did, because if anything happens to it while I have it in these next 2 years, I can literally go to any Target and they'll give me a complete new one. Period. Like, no questions asked. Okay, we got the receipt. Thank you very much. All right, so this is it. All right, so it is compatible for iPhone, iPads, and Androids. And this is what they look like. So we're going to go ahead and test it out. I'm going to connect it to my phone. We're going to do the whole shebang. I'm going to tell you guys what I think about the sound quality and all the things. Let's get right into it. So we've got it unboxed. You guys saw that cute little details. Okay, so it is yellow right now. So let's go ahead and read the manual, because I am not about to be sitting up here guessing. It comes with obviously a charger. Okay, so it's the USB-C charger. The manual is a little thick. Nobody got time for all this. Hopefully the other stuff is just other languages. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and scan the QR code because technology. Okay, so let's go ahead and scan it. I think I'm supposed to scan this one. It says start here. So I'm going to scan the one that's actually on the box. The starting one. Set up. My phone don't recognize me because I got on lashes. Alright, so we got the QR code scanned. We're just going to literally follow all the instructions. So we need to download the app from the Apple Store. Downloading the app. Face not recognized. Once again, it doesn't recognize me just because I have on lashes. That is so annoying. So I got in. And I literally have to update to iOS 18 because it needs 16 or greater, and I was at 15. Who in the world has time for this? It's gonna take 15 minutes. Right, y'all. It's been literally like 30 minutes, but it's still not done. Look at that. It's taking so long. I don't know what it is, but I end up getting my backup phone. But we're gonna go ahead and sign up. All right, so here we go. This is the screen when you're setting up a new product. This is what it looks like. Press and hold the button at the back until the light slowly blinks blue. Okay, Bluetooth pair request. Pair. All right, so you add your name. It's connected now. I'm gonna add my name. I'm gonna pick Hug Jams. Melody Clips. Yeah, Melody. I'm gonna name mine Melody Clips. This is the name. Get started. Hook the earbud around your ear, holding the barrel-shaped part. Hook the earbud onto your ear. Okay. So let's see if I can do this properly the first time. Oh my God, it's so like, I don't know. It's so like, I don't know. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this part, this little part right here, this one goes in the ear. Did I do it? I did it. All right, let's do the left side in the ear. This part, and then this other part wraps around. Let's do this one right here. We've got them on. How does that look? That is kind of cute. It don't look no different than an AirPod. AirPods is like hanging out your ear. All right, let's play some music. It is connected to the girl's phone. I do need to charge them. So they're definitely magnetic. They definitely snap back in the case. Really nice. I love the magnetic feature. That is very, very important. We're going to try to read. So the buttons at the top. Okay, so that top button, the top silver button, 1 press is to play or answer a phone call. 2 presses to fast forward. 3 presses to rewind. Battery full, it just said to me. It's connected. I'm going to go to my Apple Music. All right, let's go to one of my favorite songs by Nathaniel Bassey. Let's do Yahweh. Why is it not playing? Oh, it's playing. Why did it stop? This is how we win. All right, so it's playing pretty normally. I need to make sure I'm wearing it exactly the right way. I feel like I am, but I feel like it's supposed to be pushed in just a bit. So I'm just gonna push it just a little bit gently. There you go. Yeah, it was just too high. Y'all, this is so cute. You can't tell me this is not cute. I think this is so cute. I think it's super girly. It's kind of discreet. It looks like an earring, which I like. Like, this is much more low-key than obnoxious AirPods hanging out your ear. I think this is cute. I like it. I think I did good on the color. And I'm really, really happy that it is magnetic. So I feel like I was a little bit nervous with the pulling in and out, but literally it snaps. It's cute. It's tea. I'm going to get a nice little cover for it. I didn't want black. I didn't want the blue. I feel like the white one is just cute because it goes with everything. Probably should have got the black if my hands are dirty, but I feel like this is going to clean off very well. Put the volume all the way up. Yeah, we're going to have a grand time. I want to test a phone call though. So I'm going to call somebody right now. Who should I call? Let me just call my husband because he's literally right upstairs. I'm testing out my earphones. Yep. Say something. You hear me regularly? You hear me regularly? It doesn't sound muffled or anything? Period. Phone test complete. Thanks. Call ended. It says call ended. All right, so phone test, it works pretty nicely. He said it did sound like a little bit of a filter, as if you can tell I have on headphones, but that's normal, right? It doesn't matter. But I love it. I think I'm gonna test this out for like a week or two. We're gonna see how it really, really does. I'm gonna wear it all throughout the week. I'm gonna bring it to work with me and all the things. I'm gonna use it on my lunch break, and I'm gonna give you guys an update within a week or two. But yeah, I like it. I think it's cute. These are the earbuds right now. I think I'm going to give it a cute little 8 out of 10. I got to really, really learn it some more. But yeah, I just really wanted something besides AirPods. This is the cutest alternative, and it's not as hard as I thought to put it on. Like, you literally just put it, you clip it against your ear. I don't think it's going to come out. I'm going to test it at the gym as well. We're going to test this out in a lot of different settings. I'm going to take it with me on my vlogging tomorrow. So like, you're going to see me testing it out for real, because I want to make sure I really do love it, because it was pretty pricey. Not really. It was $230. So I feel like that is pricey compared to AirPods, but we're gonna see how well it holds up. Play my music and I am out of here. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section down below and I will be sure to answer it. But again, I think it's pretty cute. The sound quality to me sounds fine. Yes, there's a big difference when you put them both. With both of them on, it literally sounds like a surround sound. Put both of them in when you test it. The one makes you feel like, oh, it's cool, but when you have both, it literally feels like they're going just like this. Like, it feels great. I love it with both. Yes, it's so much more clear when you have both of them in.